Krishna and you are watching Geographic World. Today we are going to know about unknown facts of the solar system. So without wasting time, let's start now. The solar system. In the observable universe, there are millions of galaxies. In that, one of is the Milky Way galaxy. The solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy at local interstellar clouds Orion Sinus Arm. The Sun lies between 25,000 to 28,000 light years from the galactic center. The Sun is revolving around the galactic center along with all the planets. The revolution or orbital speed of the Sun within the galaxy is about 220 km per second, so that it completes one revolution every 225 to 250 million years. This revolution is known as galactic years of the solar system. Much of the solar system is still unknown. The gravitational force of the Sun can be up to 2 light years around the Sun. The location of the solar system in the Milky Way is a factor in the revolutionary history of life on the Earth. Means we can say that not only water, oxygen, various minerals on the Earth are responsible to evolution of life on the Earth, but also distance of the Earth from the Sun and distance of the solar system from the galactic center are responsible for evolution of life on the Earth. Now we will see the facts about the Sun. The Sun. The Sun is a star at the center of the solar system. It is also known as Sol or Helios. It is perfect sphere of hot plasma with internal convective motions that generates a magnetic field via a dynamo process. The Sun is the most important source of energy for life on the Earth. The diameter of the Sun is 1.39 million km. It is 109 times bigger than the Earth. The Sun accounts 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. It comprises 73% hydrogen and 25% helium. The temperature at the surface is 6000 degrees Celsius and it is increasing towards the center, and at the center it reaches around 1 lakh degrees Celsius. Revolution. The Sun revolves around the galactic center at the speed of 220 km per second. Rotation. The Sun is not a solid body. It is composed of a hot gaseous plasma. Therefore, it rotates varies with latitude. That's why it completes one rotation in 24 days on the equator and 38 days on the poles. Now we will see the brief information of every planet. The Mercury. Diameter is 4880 km. Rotational speed is 10 km per hour. It completes one rotation around itself in 58 days. Orbital speed is 47 km per second. It completes one revolution around the Sun in 88 days. Surface temperature is 430 degrees Celsius. Mercury has no any satellite. The Venus. The special characteristic of the Venus is that it is rotating around itself from east to west. That's why on the Venus, Sun rises at the west and sets at the east. Its diameter is 12,104 km. Rotational speed is 6.5 km per hour. It completes one rotation in 243 days. Revolution speed is 25 km per second. So it completes one revolution around the Sun in 224 days. Surface temperature is around 464 degrees Celsius. The Venus has no any satellite. In the atmosphere of Venus, maximum proportion of gas is carbon dioxide, that is 96.50%. The next planet is our Earth. The Earth is also known as the globe, the world, Tellus, Terra. These are the other names of the Earth. Its diameter is 12,742 km. Rotational speed is 1674 km per hour. It completes one rotation around itself in 23 hours 56 minutes. Revolution speed is 29 km per second. So it completes one revolution around the Sun in 365 days. The surface temperature is around 14.9 degrees Celsius. Earth has 1 natural satellites, 5 quasi-satellites, 1800 man-made operational satellites and 16,000 man-made non-operational satellites. These are now in debris. In the atmosphere of the Earth, 78% is nitrogen and 20.95% is oxygen. The Mars. Its diameter is 6,779 km. Rotational speed is 868 km per hour. It completes one rotation around itself in 24 hours. Revolution speed is 24 km per second. So it completes one revolution around the Sun in 686 days. Surface temperature is average minus 63 degrees Celsius. Mars has 2 natural satellites. In the atmosphere of Mars, there is maximum proportion of gas is carbon dioxide. Its proportion is 95.97%. Asteroid belt. Asteroid belt is located in between the orbits of the Mars and the Jupiter. This region is occupied by a great many solid, irregularly shaped, many sizes of small bodies, but much smaller than the planets. This is also called as minor planets. Amongst them, only thousands are currently known. Over 200 asteroids are known to larger than 100 km. A survey in the infrared wavelength has shown that the asteroid belt has 7 lakh to 10 lakh many sizes asteroids. This belt consists primarily of 3 categories. That is 1. C. C means carbonaceous asteroid. Second, S. S means silicate asteroids. And last one is M. M means metallic asteroids. The Jupiter. Its diameter is 1,39,820 km. Rotational speed is 45,000 km per hour. It completes one rotation around itself in 9.9 hours. Revolution speed is 13 km per second. So it completes one revolution around the Sun in 11.8 years. Surface temperature is around minus 145 degrees Celsius. Jupiter has 79 known satellites. In the atmosphere of Jupiter, 89% is hydrogen. The Saturn. Its diameter is 1,16,460 km. Rotational speed is 35,500 km per hour. So it completes one rotation around itself in 10 hours 33 minutes. Revolution speed is 9 km per second. So it completes one revolution around the Sun in 29 years. Surface temperature is around minus 178 degrees Celsius. Saturn has 82 known satellites. In the atmosphere of Saturn, 96% is hydrogen. The Uranus diameter is 50,724 km. Uranus also revolves around itself from east to west like the Venus. Rotational speed is 9 km per hour. It completes one rotation around itself in 17 hours 4 minutes. Revolution speed is 6.8 km per hour. It completes one revolution around the sun in 84 years. Surface temperature is average minus 197 degrees Celsius. Uranus has 27 known satellites. In the atmosphere of Uranus, 83% is hydrogen. The Neptune diameter is 49,244 km. Rotational speed is 2.6 km per second. It completes one rotation around itself in 16 hours 6 minutes. Revolution speed is 5.4 km per second. It completes one revolution around the sun in 164 years. Surface temperature is minus 214 degrees Celsius. Neptune has 14 known satellites. In the atmosphere of Neptune, 80% is hydrogen. Friends, I hope you understood the structure and position of the solar system in the Milky Way galaxy. Okay friends, see you in the next interesting episode. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.